Ever wondered how a tiny cut on your finger heals itself? Or how your body fights off an illness? It's all thanks to an incredible process known as tissue and cell regeneration. Now, imagine an architect's blueprint. This blueprint guides the construction and design of a building, right down to the minutest detail. Similarly, our DNA serves as the blueprint of life. It carries all the instructions needed for the development, functioning, and regeneration of every cell in our body. Hidden within this complex network of DNA are genes that regulate various cellular processes, including those that repair damage. Picture these genes as diligent workers, ready to spring into action at the first sign of trouble. When our cells or tissues sustain damage, our DNA activates these genes, kicking off a series of events aimed at restoring balance and health. Tissue and cell regeneration plays a pivotal role in our everyday health, from healing wounds to fighting diseases. Let's delve into the key areas where this fascinating process contributes to our well-being. First off, healing and recovery. Whether it's a paper cut or a broken bone, our bodies have an amazing ability to repair themselves, thanks to the intricate dance of DNA and cellular regeneration. Next, disease prevention and management. Our cells are constantly under attack from various factors, and it's their ability to repair and regenerate that keeps us healthy. It's like having an army of mini doctors right inside our bodies. Anti-aging effects are another benefit. Cell regeneration helps to slow down the aging process, keeping our tissues and organs functioning optimally. Lastly, regenerative medicine is the future of healthcare. It's about using our body's natural abilities to heal and regenerate, to treat diseases and conditions that were once considered untreatable. The interplay between DNA, tissue regeneration, and our overall well-being showcases the intricate harmony of biological systems within our bodies. Imagine a future where we can enhance our health span and improve our quality of life by harnessing the power of regenerative medicine. Picture a world where the mysteries of cellular repair are unraveled and the magic of DNA is utilized to its full potential. This is not just a dream, but a reality that's being shaped by the advances in regenerative medicine. Enter Imuregen, a remarkable product developed for over 5 decades in Europe. Imuregen is designed to enhance DNA stability and integrity, which are crucial contributors to cell and tissue regeneration. It's more than just a product. It's a testament to the power of science and the endless possibilities it presents for our well-being. This is the era of regeneration, of embracing the power within our very cells to repair, recover, and rejuvenate. So, why wait? Check the links in the description box below on how to avail Imuregen online. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable content on True Wellness with DNA.